Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to invert the colors of a video. It's a super simple script, but one that's super useful. This video is brought to you by FFmpeg for beginners, which you can find up on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the show notes. Let's get into it. So, like I said, this is a pretty simple script. We're going to be doing an input called input.mp4. So we'll be applying this to an mp4. It's a very, very simple script. We're going to be using a -vf, the video filter, negate. Very simple, like I said. Then you just do output.mp4. Now if we open up our folder and look at the video, we can see we have the original. We can look at the new one, and it's actually pretty trippy. So that's it for the video. If you found it beneficial, I do want to recommend two books that I've written. You can find these up on Amazon. First one, FFmpeg for beginners. Full color book, over 100 questions answered about how to use it for audio, video, and everything in between, as well as this quick guide that's just full of scripts. Super cheap. I'll put a link to these in the show notes. Thanks for checking out the video. Cheers.